All right, guys, boys and girls, girls and boys. Here's my General XP next to the owners of Woodfield Courts 2021 General 4 Deluxe. I figured some people would get a kick out of this. I've never seen a 4-seat actually right tight to a 2-seater, so I thought it'd be kind of neat. We lined them up just to see the difference in the length, for one. It's really almost exactly a box longer. Again, this is not as a non-XP 4-seat. And what they're doing with this one is, for promotional reasons and their own personal reasons, I always talk about wrapping mine with the black and gray American flag. So that's what they're gonna do on this one. But on the one side, the passenger side, is gonna have the thin blue line for the police. And on the other side, it's gonna have a thin red line for firefighters and first responders and such. On the tailgate, the theme is gonna continue. And then on the hood is gonna say, thanks to first responders, police, fire, you know, our heroes. So it's gonna be really built to be a tribute. It's gonna be really neat. They do a lot of stuff with the community. So I just wanted to kind of do a quick little video on that. So what I wanna do is I wanna try and get a few people to help me out with this. Like I said, they're really good people. What I want to do is try and get a few people. I want to put a heater in it, put a back window in it, tires and rims, maybe a lift, just some cool things, really make it stand out. These are really good guys. They give a lot to the community. They give a lot to fire departments and police departments in our little community here where Woodfield Court is at. So I want to get this thing pimped out a little bit for them, make it look sweet. So that's my thought, is bigger tires, different rims, maybe bumpers, upper doors, heater. Obviously it's going to get the wrap. As a non-ride command. You got the Polaris lock and ride windshield and the Polaris wiper already. What do we think? What accessories, like I said, this is kind of going to be a pet project. Something that we can build up. I'll do a video of each thing that we do to it. I don't know if anybody hasn't seen the inside of a 4-seat. Some cleaner rags. So the door opens. Suicide in the back, normal in the front. It's pretty simple to get into. You got a nice arm bar. Simple to get out of. Got a nice center console in the center, cup holders. Basically just like the front is. Seats come out just like the front. Obviously the box and everything's identical. I'm thinking 30s as far as tires. Said heater, rear window, upper doors, some sort of front and rear bumpers. Radio, it's already got, but we can expand on it. So it's really, I thought it'd be a lot longer. It looks a lot longer, but it's really not a ton longer. So this is a 21, and I've heard a couple different things about the hood being slightly different, and it is. It's got a little bit different dip in it than my 20 does. This only has one indentation here. That has two. I kind of like it. Makes it look a little bulkier. It's like almost like a cowl induction hood or something on the front, you know? But it'll definitely make a difference to get a bigger set of tires on it. Get a little more ground clearance underneath there. So for the people that watched my last video with the Ford Escape wiper, this is the factory Polaris wiper. You can see it stops right here, right here. So it swings pretty far. But if you're in the passenger seat, say right here, you're not gonna be able to see very good. But it's a slick setup. I mean, it works good. The driver can definitely see good. But it's gonna be a little harder for the passenger to be able to see good, because like I said, you can see the dirty line. I just turned it on quick. So it stops right there. That's the full swing of it. Where the Escape one actually swings the opposite direction, but it swings all the way over to the top, and it comes all the way down, just about touches the bottom of the window. Just wanted to dump the box, so you can see the box is dumped the same. A few people have asked me about mine as far as with the thumper fab bumper and with the 32s. So I think maybe you can tell a little bit less, because mine actually does hit just a little. Again, it's not much, but you can see there's a little less dump angle. Which again, everything's gonna slide out, that's not gonna be an issue. But now that I got another one right side by side with it, you can see a little bit difference in angle. It's not a whole lot. Obviously the motor is exactly the same. We were noticing before that, I guess I knew this, but I haven't put them side by side in a while either. The GrizzTech guards that I have that cover up this whole area right here, where this tank is at. On the XPs, again, the 4-seater is a non-XP. The 2-seater, mine is an XP. Comes with an aluminum guard to cover the tank. And then on the passenger side, or on the driver's side, I mean, I have the GrizzTech guard, so no mud gets up in that passenger or driver's side battery compartment. And on the factory one, you can see, you can't see very good, but that's just a big open cavity to where the battery's at. So it's good to cover that up.